Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to sign in to your DigitalOcean control panel. Accessing your control panel is essential to manage your droplets, databases, and other cloud resources efficiently. Step 1. Go to the DigitalOcean login page by visiting www.digitalocean.com and clicking on Log In at the top right corner. Step 2. Enter the email address associated with your DigitalOcean account and your password. Double-check for typos and ensure caps lock is off. Step 3. If you have two-factor authentication, or 2FA, enabled, open your Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit verification code when prompted. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 4. If you can't access your Authenticator app, use one of your backup codes that you saved during 2FA setup to log in. Step 5. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your DigitalOcean control panel where you can manage your droplets, volumes, databases, and other resources. Step 6. If you encounter login issues, try clearing your browser cache, using a different browser, or resetting your password through the Forgot Password link on the login page. Step 7. For persistent problems, contact DigitalOcean support with your account details so they can assist you in regaining access safely. Following these steps will allow you to securely log in to your DigitalOcean control panel and manage your cloud resources effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.